Hello students, I hope that you all are fine in doing your work. Today we are going to discuss the objective type questions of lesson 1, the third level, written by Jack Finney. You will write down all the questions. So now read it carefully. What is the name of lesson third level? What does third level refer to? Question 1. What does third level refer to? It refers to an imaginary place. ये क्या है? This is an imaginary place. और किसकी imagination है ये? Whose imagination is the third level? Charlie's imagination is the third level. Charlie's. Who has written the third level? Jack Finney. Now, here, which station has been mentioned here? What does where was the third level according to Charlie? ऐसे आ सकता है. Where was the third level according to Charlie? It was at Grand Central Station, GCS. Who was Sam? Charlie's friend. ठीक है. Sam कौन है? Charlie के फ्रेंड. एक अब आपको डिपेंड करेगा कि आपको वहाँ क्या लिखना है. आपको अगर ऑप्शन आती है तो क्या? चार्ली का फ्रेंड. दूसरा, ही वॉज अ साइकेट्रिस्ट. ठीक है. वट वॉज सैम्स प्रोफेशन? ऐसे भी आ सकता है. ही वॉज अ साइकेट्रिस्ट. हु वॉज सैम? सैम वॉज अ साइकेट्रिस्ट एंड चार्लीज फ्रेंड. वट डिड सैम कॉल थर्ड चार्लीज इमेजिनेशन ऑफ थर्ड लेवल? वट डिड सैम कॉल्ड Charlie's imagination of the third level? He called it a waking dream wish fulfillment. What did he call it? Waking dream wish fulfillment. What, according to Sam, make Charlie uncomfortable? Make Charlie imagine of the third level. कौन सी चीज़ है जिसकी वजह से चार्ली इमेजिन करने लगा थर्ड लेवल के बारे में? Insecurity, fear, worry and stress of the modern world. What did Charlie want to escape? Important question. What did Charlie want to escape? Charlie wanted to escape the realities of life. जीवन की सच्चाई. The war was the reality of life और उसी से बचने की कोशिश कर रहा था चार्ली. What was Charlie's hobby? Stamp collection. What was Charlie's hobby? Stamp collection. What did Sam call stamp collection? Temporary refuge from reality. यानी सच्चाई से बचना. On this page only we have done around 10 questions. I hope you will write all these questions. Whose collection was transferred to Charlie? Whose collection? किसका कलेक्शन चार्ली को ट्रांसफ़र किया गया? हिज ग्रैंडफादर. चार्ली का जो कलेक्शन था वो बेसिकली उसके ग्रैंडफादर का कलेक्शन था और उसी को चार्ली अभी कंटिन्यू कर रहा था. फिर व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट डे कवर हमने आगे पढ़ा. ये तो 2 मार्क्स के लिए है. अब वो यहाँ एक एग्जाम्पल बता रहे हैं. यहाँ हमें ज़्यादा डिटेल में यहाँ हमारे 1 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन कम बनते हैं. अब यहाँ आया ये है हु इज़ द नरेटर ऑफ द स्टोरी. देखिए 2 क्वेश्चन बनते हैं. Who is the writer of the story? Jack Finney. And who is the narrator of the story? One who is narrating it, जो इसे नरेट कर रहे हैं, वर्णन कर रहे हैं. और इसमें कौन अपने लिए आई यूज़ करते हैं? चार्ली यूज़ करते हैं. चार्ली इज़ द नरेटर ऑफ द स्टोरी. What was Charlie's age? He was 31 years old. What was Charlie's profession? He would work in an office. ठीक है. What was Charlie's wife's name? या who was Louisa, Charlie's wife? किसी भी तरह से आ सकता है. नेम ऑफ चार्लीज वाइफ या हु वॉज लुइसा. दोनों का आंसर, दोनों क्वेश्चन यही है. आंसर सेम है. लुइसा, हु वॉज लुइसा, चार्लीज वाइफ या व्हाट वॉज चार्ली नेम ऑफ चार्लीज वाइफ? लुइसा. सो फ्रॉम वेयर डिड चार्ली एंटर इनटू ग्रैंड सेंट्रल स्टेशन? फ्रॉम विंडोविल एवेन्यू. व्हाट डिड चार्ली कंपेयर द ग्रैंड सेंट्रल विद? with what Charlie compared the Grand Central Station? With what? He compares it with a tree. वो उसे एक ट्री से कंपेयर करते हैं. Why? Because he thinks that it keeps on growing. He feels that there is a tunnel underground under the city which can take one person from one place to one point to the other. So he was moving to the towards the third level of the Grand Central Station. Now what were the unusual things that Charlie noticed? अब ये किस तरह से आ सकते हैं, ऑप्शंस अलग अलग आ सकते हैं. एक तो इंफॉर्मेशन बूथ वॉज ऑफ वुड, फ्यूअर टिकट विंडोज, ओल्ड लुकिंग था इट वॉज. द मैन वॉज इन द बूथ, ही वॉज वेयरिंग green eye shade. Then the lights were dim and flickering. Lights dim thi, there were open flame gas lights. There were brass spittoons on the floor. People were having wrist pocket watch थी लोगों के पास. Everybody was dressed up like 1890s. हर कोई 1890s की तरह से ड्रेसअप था. Then how did Charlie make sure that he was at the third level? To make sure he went to the newspaper boy. Yeah, how did Charlie make sure? Through the newspaper. What was the name of newspaper? The World. Name of newspaper? The World. और चार्ली किस दिन पहुंचा था? What date was mentioned on the? What was the date mentioned on the newspaper? June 11, 1894. Remember 1894 when First World War was 20 years away and Second World War was 40 years away. So where did Charlie want to go? The most important question of this lesson, where did Charlie want to go? He wanted to go to Galesburg, Illinois. He had spent his childhood there. Okay. Did the clerk accepted the money? Did the clerk accepted the money? No. The clerk did not accepted the money. Why? Because he called it counterfeit currency. उसने उसे counterfeit नकली नोट कहा. कारण क्योंकि उस समय की करेंसी अलग थी, old style bills थे. How much amount did Charlie exchange for old style bills? How much amount did Charlie exchange for old style bills? He exchanged $300. How much did he get? Around more than $200. He got only less than $200. Then one day Sam disappeared. He always wanted to believe in Charlie's imagination of third level, and finally he was so engrossed in that imagination, वो इतना डूब गए कि वो वाकई यकीन करने लगे कि एक थर्ड लेवल है. ठीक है, ये एक एग्जाम्पल किसका दिया? इवेंट टू स्कूल देयर, ये दिया गया है चार्ली के लिए. चार्ली हैड ऑलवेज बीन टेलिंग हिम अबाउट द थर्ड लेवल, द पीपल देयर, द एटमोसफियर देयर, द एम्बियंस देयर. सैम ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी देयर एंड फाइनली ही स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट. सो यहाँ पर दी गई है हमको फर्स्ट डे कवर की डेफिनेशन. पोस्ट मार्क्स प्रूव्स द डेट. व्हाट इज रिटन इन अ फर्स्ट डे कवर? नथिंग इज रिटन इन अ फर्स्ट डे कवर. तो वन डे चार्ली फाउंड a first day cover which should not have been there. And what was the amount of the stamp? 6 cents. It was dull brown and with a picture of President Garfield. Who has written the letter? Sam has written the letter. From where? According to Sam, he had written the letter from Galesburg in July 18, 1894. अगर आप पढ़ पा रहे हो तो डेट इज जुलाई 18, 1894. चार्ली ने जिस दिन इमेजिन किया कि वो पास्ट में पहुंच गया थर्ड लेवल पर, डेट वॉज जून 11, 1894. तो चार्ली के बात के बाद ही सैम ने वो लिखा, यानी कि सैम चार्ली की बात में पूरी तरह से आ गया और उसे यकीन हो गया कि एक थर्ड लेवल है और वो वहाँ पर पहुँचा हुआ है. ठीक है, तो सैम ने लिखा था. हु हैज रिटन द लेटर? सैम. What business did Sam want to do? अच्छा, एक और क्वेश्चन बच गया यहाँ. For how much amount did Sam buy old style bills? For how much amount did Sam buy old style bills? He bought around $800. He bought around $800. What was Sam's new business? Sam का new business क्या था? Hay, feed and grain business. And what was Sam's old business? It was psychiatrist. Sam was Charlie's psychiatrist. I hope all the questions are clear to you now. Now write down all these questions as these are going to be really helpful. So what have we drawn about Sam? We have drawn about Sam that he was though he was a psychiatrist, but he was also a victim of modern days fear, worry, insecurity and stress. Now do the question answers. Thank you.